Hello guys. So today I'll be showing how to create a virtual environment where the modules had been there. Virtual environment what happens that in your Python I'm talking about, in what will happen that the modules which we are installing, okay, the framework which we are installing or modules which we are installing should not affect your computer. It's like virtual environment means another kind of a computer you are using, it won't disturb your computer. So what happen is that if you are installing any harmful thing, then what will happen is your own system will get crash, isn't it? Your own system will, you don't want your systems to be crash or damaged, anything like that. Okay, so what you need to do for that, for better perspective, we are doing is that we are creating an environment, virtual environment. So that can be as a perspective, you can think of it that another computer there I am working it like that. Okay, so I'll be teaching from the starting. So PyCharm I have opened it already. Okay, here what I'll go to file and I'll go to new project. Okay, so I'm giving a name of creating virtual. You can give any name to the folder, like basically a project name I'm giving that, creating virtual, that's all. Okay, it's asking me whether to create in this window or new window, so I'll go for new window. I have gone, some setup times it will require, it's taking for that. Since you can see here it's going on, processing is going on. Okay, it will done fastly on in this computer because it's very high tech computer, this one, like 64 GB RAM kind of. Okay, so the processing is very fast in it. Fine. So after going there, what you need to go, you need to go to terminal. Okay, since you are currently in creating virtual, which is your project, you can see all the files by dir. So no files are there currently in my this directory, creating underscore virtual. Good enough. Now I'll create a virtual environment over there, where there only I need to run my program, I need to install my all those install my modules, anything I'll do it up. So for that what I need to do is that, first syntax is that, first thing I need to do is I need to see where my Python has been installed. Okay, the first most thing is that I need to see where my Python is installed. The moment you are installing your Python, is it in C drive, D drive, or which particular location? Okay, so what I'll do it, as I know, in my case I have installed it where in D drive. Okay, or you can, what you can do it, you can just write it window. If you are in window, what you will do, window key you will press it up, and then pip. Okay, so what will happen, as in my case I have created many environments over there, so that's the reason it won't be coming. And in your case, if you have installed only one environment, one Python over there, then what you need to do, right click it and do open file location. So automatically what will happen is that if you do open file location, this is for command prompt, sorry, I'll be just searching pip. Okay, and here I'm doing it, right click it and open file location. Okay, fine. So this will be in my directory. I have created many like environment, and there is this script is, but I know in my case that I have the official Python, the first one Python which I have installed, or the modules which you have installed it, several modules, you can take that also. Okay, but in for a basic purpose I am saying that I have sorry, I have installed the Python in D drive. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to click on it. This will be your official one. Okay, good enough. And then what you need to do, this Python exe is there. No, this particular location is for for main purpose. This location. So what you need to just copy it over here from the address bar. Okay, you need to copy it for this python.exe. Basically what I am doing over here is that these modules, what all modules are my in this script, I need to take it in my virtual environment. Good enough. So that only I am doing it. If I want this modules to take, then I'll take this one pxe.ai. If I want another module, I can go in there also. As you have seen, there was one more script written there, same way that particular path I'll choose it up for me. For basic purpose, I am going for this only official one, because there can be many participants who have not installed several environment. Okay, so what I'm doing it, basic purpose, you need to go where you have installed it and then copy your path. Okay, for just 1 minute, for default, oh, the shortcut has been created, I'm deleting it. For for default, what will happen if you are in Windows? Okay, so your path will be like this: c hashtag path to Python, like C drive only it will be. But in my case, what I have done is that I have installed in D drive, because I was having lots of spaces in D drive. That's the reason. Okay, so you can install your Python in any place. Anyhow, what I am doing it, I am copying over this path. This path is very important, and then I am going in my code. Okay, then here I need to write it up: virtual in terminal env, sorry, virtual env. Okay, then hyphen hyphen, then you need to write Python. Good enough. And then the path which you have copied just now, so what I am doing, I copied it, I am just pasting it, Control V, and again you need to write python dot exe. Good enough. Okay, and afterward a space you will give it up, and you will give your virtual environment name. So I am currently giving my virtual environment name as venv. Okay, then I'll be pressing enter. It will take some time, it's creating. Now you can see that a folder has been created over here with the name of VNV, isn't it? Now you need to activate this also, this virtual environment. So script is there. In the script, some modules are there, predefined one. Okay, that module has been copied over here basically. Fine. So for activating this, what you need to do, same directory I am. Okay, my VNEV is in same directory. So dot and then backslash. Good enough. And I'll go inside my VNV, the folder which has been created just now. Okay, and then backslash, and then script, inside a script I want to go, and then slash, and then you need to make sure you are writing scripts, as should be there, scripts. Okay, and then backslash, and you need to do activate. Good enough. Then you need to do enter. Okay, now as you can see, now you are inside your venv. So no matter here what all things module you install, that will be installed inside this folder only. It won't disturbs to your, if I am installing Flux, so I am writing pip install space flsk Flux. Good enough. It will be getting installed in my this particular directory only. It will take some time. Right, see, it is getting installed. Good enough. Internet connectivity is required. Okay, so this module is getting installed in where in my virtual environment. Thank you. So this is the way to create your virtual environment in Windows OS operating system, and to activate and to install a new module in your virtual environment. Thank you guys, thank you very much.